friends, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Has it ever happened to you that you've gone for a movie and silently wished that there were subtitles to help you understand the movie better? At least for complicated movies like Interstellar. At least I wish so. Well, that's how I have felt with most AI image generators. Brilliant visuals, but none have been able to provide text on the images accurately. In today's video, we will go through an AI image generator which provides almost accurate text on the images you generate. Let's go through this tutorial in less than 5 minutes. Let's start the timer now. The website is called ideogram.ai. So once you come to the website, this is the cool and neat interface you will see. It's really nice, inviting and vibrant. The USP of this AI image generator is that it lets you add text to your image generations. As you can see here, Gypsy is written here, make something beautiful. So once you come here, you'll see these options: recent, trending, following, top. So currently we are under the trending tab. If you like any image, you can just click on it. Let's say like this Jordan image. Once you click on it, you'll see these 4 options of that rendition. So whichever you like, you can just select that and click on remix. And here it gives you the option to select from various styles: cinematic, 3D, typography, photo, poster, painting. All these amazing styles are available. If you don't want to choose a style by yourself, you can just click on lucky style and it will just auto select some styles for you, and then just click on generate. So once these images are here, you can just go and click on your name. Here they will appear on your profile. So this is an option of remixing already existing trending images. Now let's go and test out the real reason why this website is becoming so popular. So I'll just quickly go to ChatGPT for some ideas. I'll just give it this prompt: give me some cool t-shirt ideas with sayings on various themes. And just like that, ChatGPT has given me a few ideas. So I'll just copy paste these into ideogram and we'll see the result. Let's say we'll start with this one: space and science. Copy the image description from here. I'll go back to ideogram. I'll paste it here. Then I'll just write text, comma, open inverted commas. I'll paste the saying from here, close the inverted commas. And here we have all the various styles available. So I'll just select lucky style. So let them select, and I can further select illustration, graffiti, and these look good. And here you can come and select the aspect ratio. So once this is done, just click on generate. And look at all these results with the text clearly visible. I need more space. Oh, okay, there is a spelling mistake here. Let's see the next one. I need more space. This one's correct. I need space. Okay, so it got rid of more and it's given its own variation. I need more space. I need more space. Okay, so out of all, this one's the best one. So you can further remix this. I copy pasted various prompts from ChatGPT and tried a few of my own and created images. I am not going to bore you guys with the prompt creation and pasting process since you already know how to do that. I will just quickly run you through some of the results. Try it out. Let's try out some other examples. So look at this one. A TV remote on a starting line is ready to race with text: I do marathons on Netflix. If you see the text here, it's perfect. This one's not correct. So this one's good. Check out this one. A funny cartoon character, tiny little Superman, saying just hanging around. Check out this one. A poster of a flying UFO over forest trees with the text, I want to leave. And check out the text. It's absolutely accurate. Let's try another one. Check out this one. A snazzy clock with sunglasses checking its wrist with text which says fashionably late but still late. So if you like any image, you can just select the heart here, and in your profile, so you go into your liked section. So let's check out this one. Popcorn over plot, anytime. It's repeated this twice. Okay, maybe I'll just remix this to see if it gives me a better rendition this time. So as you can see, it's almost really good at giving text with the images. So this website, I believe, is also very good for creating logos. And now for the final step, the images that you download from this website, you will realize are not of very high quality. They are pretty low in DPI. So we can use this free website called iloveimage.com. Once you come to the website, you will see all these various options which will let you edit and convert or manipulate the image as per your need. So once you create your free account, you will see this upscale image option. Click on this. Just select the image And once you've selected the image, here you can see it has been upscaled by 2 times already. You also have the option to upscale it by 4 times by selecting on this, and here it gives you this tool where you can compare the image before it was upscaled and after it is upscaled, and it's absolutely free. Just click on the upscale button, and after a short while the image will be ready, which you can then download. Once you've downloaded the image, you can come back to this website, and you can also remove the background if you wish to use this design for possible t-shirt designs, and you can make free mockups on websites like Canva. My personal take on ideogram: the ability to generate almost accurate text on images, and in some cases 100% accurate text on images, is a great leap forward in the AI image generation space. That is absolutely brilliant, and kudos to the ideogram team. As far as the image quality is concerned, I still prefer MIDJOURNEY and Leonardo, and I feel ideogram still has catching up to do. That's my personal opinion. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, do check this video out, where we have discussed some other cool AI tools by using which we can generate short AI movies. If you don't have time right now, save this video for later, as no video is more important than your time. I will continue to try to make more such videos which will help us in our shared journey of self-improvement and how we can leverage the power of AI for our greater good. Thank you, and see you soon.